na-miss ko kayo. Na-miss ko mag-reaction video. Ito ngayon, mag-reaction video tayo ulit dito sa kotse. Manonood tayo na kakatakot na Nukes. Kay Nukes to, Nukes Top 5. 10 scary videos to freak you out. Ayan, grabe. Na-miss ko mag-reaction video. So, may kakainin tayo. Ito ang banana. Ayan, so ito yung kakainin natin, banana chips. At syempre, meron din tayo dito ng kape. Ayan, syempre, hindi tayo pwedeng mawawala ng kape. Kape tayo. Grabe, mainit pa. Sobra napaso ako. Sa dulo ng video natin to ay magsha-shoutout ako. Ayan, mag-shoutout tayo ng mga ilan nating mga kaibigan. Ayan, lagi na tayo may shoutout dito sa ating reaction video. Okay, let's go. Simulan na natin. Matatakot na ako.
This next clip allegedly comes from CCTV cameras in an unknown city in the Philippines. A woman
Sa
in a red hoodie is
Philippines.
seen
Sa Philippines. Nakakatakot to. Mas nakakatakot no pag yung sarili mong bansa. Kasi mas nai-imagine mo yung yung lugar eh.
walking along a city street.
Walking alone.
But the CCTV camera image becomes very strange.
Ayan.
Ang galing doon sa mga UNESCO. Tapos
Ano yun?
may Maligayas ka dyan. Yan ang mabuti sa mga lang ito. Ang tanya.
Saan? Nasaan?
Nasira yung CCTV natin.
Nasaan? Ayun oh. Hey. Baka naman sa CCTV. Ay grabe, nakakatakot. Nakakatakot.
CCTV bakit yun? Wala yung ulo.
Okay naman yung CCTV oh. Pero yung ulo nung... Grabe, nakakatakot. Kikilabutan ako. Oh,
As you can see in the clip,
May
the video
hiwalay
seems
pa.
to glitch in a very bizarre way, making it look as if the woman's head disappears multiple times. But
pwedeng pwede naman siyang glitching ng CCTV. Pero syempre, nakakatakot pa rin eh. So, sige, ibig sabihin dun sa eksaktong time na may babaeng dumaan, tapos yung ulo niya nawawala-wala. 'Di ba? Napaka-creepy nun. Kahit sino mag-iisip talaga kung kung may something dun sa babae na yun.
oddly, the rest of the video is perfectly clear.
Sa
Now,
Pilipinas,
in the Philippines, there's a strange superstition that says that if someone appears in a photograph without a head,
Ay oo, siyempre maraming kasabihan dito sa atin, maraming mga pamahiin na kapag daw pugot yung ulo mo, may mangyayari daw na masama sa'yo. Pag may mga tao nakakita sa'yo, eto sa mga CCTV na ganito, so marami tayong superstitious belief. Ayan, so mga pamahiin, mga kasabihan. Grabe, nakakatakot to.
it means that that person will
Umihiwalay,
soon
oh.
pass away. Creepily enough, a few
Kamusta na kaya ngayon yung babae na yun? Buhay pa kaya yun?
minutes later, and this happens.
Ayun o, bilis. Ayun, nawala ng pera.
Oo, yun. Yun.
The unfortunate woman
Ay, shock. Ay, grabe, natakot ako dun. Sagasaan na yung
is
babae.
accidentally struck by a runaway taxi van, and it is said that she did actually pass away.
Grabe, namatay na pala yun. Kinakamusta ko pa man din. Ayan. Rest in peace po, grabe.
As the
Totoo
result
pala
of
yun.
her injuries, just like the old Filipino superstition says.
Grabe, no? Pati sa CCTV. Natakot ako dun, grabe. Natakot talaga ako dun.
Now, this clip immediately went viral on Philippines websites and social media, but no one knows the original source of the video, which leaves us to wonder,
Grabe.
is this real proof of the paranormal? Or is it just an old malfunctioning CCTV system? Or is it all just a very elaborate hoax? As always, you decide.
Ayun, no?
Nightlight.
Grabe, timing na timing. So walang nakakaalam, sa CCTV pa nila nakita. Kaya syempre kapag may mga talaga, may mga aksidente, at sa may mga aksidente, may mga nanakaw, chinecheck talaga nila yung CCTV para may ebidensya. Pero dito, grabe nakita nila yung babae na ganun. Grabe, nakakatakot.
A woman named Brenda says that late one night while she and her husband were sleeping, their home security camera caught this strange event at 2:45 in the morning.
Ang dami talagang nakukuha na ng CCTV, no?
The family dog perks up as a bright light flashes and what looks like a pale little face seems to peek out of the door. Then a shadowy figure about the size of a child seems to be standing in the hallway before disappearing.
Grabe, hindi ba tao yan?
Just as the little pale face peeks out
Pero
of the
hindi,
door
anino eh.
again. Brandis and her husband Sky have never posted or even experienced anything paranormal, and they say they have no idea what this could be.
Nakakatakot. Grabe. Ngayon lang ulit ako nag-reaction video. Nakakatakot talaga tong Nooks.
Something at the door. Chase Beckstead and his wife Rachel are staying overnight in the house of Rachel's recently deceased grandfather. The elderly man had passed away in the house only 1 month earlier. So the couple is just settling in for the night when suddenly something happens that is downright creepy.
How you doing? You okay?
I don't know.
You a little freaked out?
A little bit.
So,
Ano nakita nila?
we were just going to bed and we're not...
Uy, may kumakatok. May kumakatok.
Let me just show you.
Takot yung kanino ko dun sa salamin.
Like, we've literally had to put the bag up against the door because we're not sure.
Tignan nila, uy. Uy, wala naman. Nakakatakot yan pag may kumakatok. Ayun na naman.
And, like, we're literally just...
Takot na takot na yung kasama niya, no?
Even though there's no draft or air current in the house, the bedroom door begins to randomly move as if it's being quickly pulled back and forth by some unseen force. Understandably, Chase and Rachel are pretty shaken up by the strange, unexplained phenomena. They decide to just pack up their stuff and leave the house. But this
Inalisan
is
na
when
nila.
things get even creepier.
Okay, so we're leaving. We got all of our stuff packed. Oh,
Uy! Uy, ayun pa rin, no?
oh my gosh.
Ano galing na ng loob? Sa loob na.
Yeah, we're out here. Rachel's already in the car. I'm leaving. Like,
Grabe, kinikilabutan ako.
I don't know what's going on.
As Chase is gathering their luggage, the bedroom door slams shut right behind him. And again, it begins to move back and forth, this time
back and
even
forth?
faster than before. Chase says that he still has no idea what could have caused the strange movement of the door. Some video commenters believe that this was the ghost of Rachel's recently deceased grandpa, but some think it might have been something more sinister that had taken up residence in the house. But what do you think? The Follower. It's around 5:30 in the morning and two girls are on a hike through the mountains in the Philippines with a large group.
Philippines na naman.
The girls stop a little too long to take some pictures and accidentally get left behind by the group. The girls run to catch up with the other hikers as one of them films, but her camera captures something truly bizarre.
Naliligaw kami, guys! Naliligaw! Wala ni mga kasama namin!
Ba't kayo tumatakbo?
Kailangan namin silang habulin.
Ay, parang may nakaitim doon sa likod nila, no?
Maliligaw kami. Gagi, malayo na sila. Wala na.
Nasaan na yung kasama niya? Ayan, dalawa sila.
Did you see it? As the two girls run along the mountain trail way back in the background,
Ayun nga, may
some
nakaitim.
strange shadow figure seems to be following them.
Takot.
But a little bit later, the mysterious dark figure has just disappeared. The girl who posted this video says that she and her friend were completely alone and they have no idea who or what this could be. She says that she only noticed
Grabe no, parang pari na nakaitim kasi may mukha eh.
a shadowy figure when she watched her video back
Sinusundan sila?
later. So, what do you think? Was someone stalking them through the remote woods? Or just what is this?
May malamang
You
multo yan.
decide.
Malamang multo yan na o nagbabantay yan dyan. So alam niya siguro na mabait naman yung dalawa. So parang tinitingnan niya lang. Pero nakakatakot pa rin o para makaptured sa camera.
A short stay. A guy named Brendan has a YouTube channel where he camps in his van in some strange and sometimes very dangerous locations across the UK. In this video, Brendan decided to camp overnight in the coastal village of Jaywick in Essex, England. Now, amongst other things, Jaywick is known as one of Britain's poorest towns and has a very high crime rate. In other words, it's not really the best place to be camping overnight in a van. But that doesn't stop Brendan.
A little town in England called Jaywick, coined as one of the most deprived towns in the UK. And I thought, since I was in the
Delicado.
area, I just had to go and see it.
Brendan searches around and eventually finds a place to set up camp
Parang
that is just
delikado yung
outside
ano, no,
of
lugar.
town and kind of in the middle of nowhere.
This'll do me. I'm alone,
Tapos solo lang siya. Ayun talaga yung nakakatakot eh. Pag solo ka talaga.
but I mean, there's no other houses around me, so it's not as if I'm alone in a housing estate.
Brendan sets up his bed in the van and
Ah,
lies down
saban
for
pa
a
siya,
night's sleep.
no.
But around 2:30 in the morning, things take a terrifying turn.
Ayan na ang nakakatakot. I think someone outside. It's 2:30. Grabe, 2 AM na no. May naririnig-rinig siya sa labas. Ay, putik na yan. Ano yun? Ano yun? May may baka magnanakaw yun. Binubuksan yung Uy, may bumasag. May bumasag nung ano niya. Tek na yan. May magnanakaw nga.
Right, whoever the that was has now gone. I'm gonna get out of here. Oh my god.
Oh, binasag yung sasakyan niya. Yan ang mas nakakatakot. Grabe. Nakaka-freak out tong video talaga na to. Yung may bumasag ng may magnanakaw, no? Woo! Umalis na siya.
Someone with a flashlight skulks around outside Brendan's van, trying the door handles, before smashing the window to get inside. Luckily, Brendan yells and sends the intruder running. He then hops in the driver's seat and just gets out of there. Brendan makes it out safe, but obviously is very shaken up by the whole
Nakakatakot, no?
ordeal. He decides to not only leave the town of Jaywick, but to drive all night, 3.5 hours, all the way back to his
Grabe.
home.
I just, quite frank,
Grabe, umuwi na lang siya no, sa sobrang takot. Kasi siyempre nabasagan na rin naman siya ng salamin.
just wanted to go home. I was really, I wasn't in a good mind space. After cleaning a little bit of broken glass from my driver's seat and the dashboard, you'd be surprised how far glass goes.
Grabe,
It smashes.
nabasagan.
I've been finding little bits everywhere, but the van was in no fit state to continue camping in, and nor was my headspace, should we say. So I made the long journey back home. I think it was a good 3.5 hour drive back to my house in Shrewsbury. Got there just before sunrise. Not a pleasant drive to say the least.
Despite this frightening encounter, Brendan still goes camping in his van and posts his adventures over on his YouTube channel, Brendan Explores. Get out. A guy named Carter moved into a new fully furnished rental house. But not long after he moved in, he began to experience strange things and hear unexplained noises. Late one night while he's asleep in bed, he hears the creepy sound of what seems to be someone hitting keys on the piano in his living room.
Grabe, piano. Nakakatakot yun. May piano kaya dyan? At may naririnig siyang piano na... Ayun, oh. Piano talaga, oh. Ay, may piano nga. Ah, grabe.
Who's there?
Grabe yung ano, yung tindig ng balahibo ko doon sa tunog ng piano. Lakas
Carter
ng
decides to lay on
goosebumps.
his living room couch to try to figure out just what is going on with the piano. As you might imagine, it did not go well.
Dude, what the f?
Hoy,
Piano plays again and
May
a chair
nakaupo
moves,
nga
and
dun,
Carter
oh.
decides that he's had about enough. He decides
ay, grabe, nakakatakot.
to leave the house to stay with a friend. But as he is leaving, he manages to capture this video.
Hoy,
As Carter heads for his car, he sees his TV flickering and his lights randomly turning on and off inside his
grabe no,
house.
naglalaro pa ng electric, no?
Now, usually when people watch these videos, they say, well, if the place is so haunted, then why wouldn't he just move out? Well, that's
Lakas.
exactly what he did. Carter moved right out of that house. And the end of this haunted story, I guess.
Lumipat na, hindi na niya kinaya. Mukhang malakas eh.
Hiding under the covers. A video poster who calls himself Celtic Dabs works the reception desk at a creepy old hotel in Arizona. One day, his coworker shows him something very strange that keeps happening in one of the rooms.
Madami talaga sa mga apartment, no? Kasi ayun yung ano, minsan matagal na nawawala ng tumitira. So, natitenga na walang tao kaya pinagbabahayan talaga. Oh, yan na yan. Ano yan? Ba may ahas?
What the? Nah.
Ano yan? Ayun.
Cause let me hit it now, and then
Yeah.
Uy.
Bro.
Something seems to be moving around in a strange erratic pattern under the bedsheet. But when Celtic's coworker slaps the sheet, it just disappears.
Baka may daga doon sa ilalim ng ano, bed. Eh di ba kutsyon yun? Baka naman may daga doon.
Celtic says that each time the sheet was tidied back up, the same weird phenomenon would happen again.
Pero grabe, parang ang laki
just
masyado
what do
eh,
you
no?
think this could be? Also, if whatever is under the sheet isn't enough to scare you, well, just imagine staying in a hotel that put sheets like this on the bed. Honestly, the thought of sleeping in those sheets scares me more than whatever is moving around under there. So either way,
Parang
this
ang laki.
video is truly disturbing. Night call. Late one night in Pueblo, Colorado, an emergency call comes in to the 911, but whoever made the call hangs up almost immediately. The 911 operators trace the call and find that it came from Imperial Memorial Gardens. Well, the weird thing is, Imperial Memorial Gardens is a funeral home, surrounded by an 80-year-old cemetery. And it's 3:30 in the morning, so no one should be there. Now, as standard procedure, the 911 emergency operators call the funeral home back to make sure everything is okay. And someone answers the phone. This is what the 911 operators hear.
Hello, 911, this is Erica. How can I help you? Hello?
Uy.
Hello? Hello?
Hindi maintindihan yung sinasabi. Static.
There's a lot of static, and a quiet male voice seems to say something a few times, but then the call just goes silent. Again, as part of standard procedure, the emergency operators send the police to check out the old funeral home. But when the officers arrive,
Doon nila chinek, no? Yung kung saan nanggaling yung call.
They find the funeral home locked up and all the lights are off. No one's there. Now, I tried to clean up the call audio as much as possible, but there's just not much there.
Hello?
Help me.
Hello?
Help.
So, just who made this call? And what do you think they might be saying? Lurking in the dark. A man in South Wales walks out to his car very early one Wednesday morning to head off to work. It's just before 5 a.m. and the rest of the neighborhood is still asleep. No one else is around, and the man doesn't notice anything unusual. But later that night, as the man checks through his security camera feed, he sees something that sends a shiver down his spine.
Ayan, puro CCTV. O, ano yan? Uy! Ayun o, biglang nawala. Ano yun? Saan galing yun? Saan galing yun? Tingnan nga natin ulit. Ayun o. Ano yun? Nagparamdam lang sa kanya?
As the man
Ang dami talaga nakukuha ng CCTV. Grabe.
approaches his car, some lumbering form
Ayun,
seems
oh.
to appear out of nowhere, quickly hurrying
Parang
away.
pilay.
And then, whatever this is, simply disappears into thin air. Now, the figure moves at a very odd angle and speed for this to be a lens flare. And considering that the rest of the video is in sharp focus, it seems very unlikely that this is some kind of compression error or problem with the camera. So, just who or what is this?
Ayan. Who or what?
Scary videos. So I like to end these videos with the stuff that kind of starts off scary and then just gets weird and kind of goofy. Speaking of which, TikToker Dre in Dallas experiences something spooky in his home, but instead of chasing it down to record with his phone, he goes the complete other way.
Come on, where you hide
Ano
her
to?
stuff at?
Mom, where's my Gucci?
Oy!
No, I'm not. Come on, Janae. Come on, Janae. Janae, come on.
Matakot na siya.
Come on, free. Come on, Janae. Come on. It's a ghost in this mother.
Next up,
Grabe,
now this
natakot na
video
siya.
from Matt Sowards was shot on a country road in the middle of nowhere with no other cars around anywhere. Do not ever do this prank to someone who
Someone
is
who's
driving.
driving. Uy!
¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? Bien vi, compa, con una calavera.
So, in case you missed it, the guy in the backseat hangs a life-size cardboard cutout of a zombie
Grabe.
out of his window and
May narang
dangles
pala.
it in front of the driver's window. And the driver slams on the brakes and freaks right out.
Nga, wag niyong gaganyanin yung driver. Grabe. Eh, may hawak na manibela.
Erika, compa. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? Sarang a la ¿Qué pasó?
Takot
Bien
niya,
vi,
oh.
compa, con una calavera.
Now, lately on this channel, I've shown many
Pinagtitripan pala ng mga kasama.
kids scaring their parents for their own
Ayan din,
amusement.
oh.
But you see, this segment is very different because TikToker Katie Funny Guy makes
Oy.
videos where he scares the out of his wife and kids.
Mga prank-prank na to. Loko. Hoy!
Never say never. Never say never. Never.
Hoy! Grabe naman yung prank eh, no? Para atakihin ka eh.
Hello.
Hoy!
I'm right here. Bye-bye, Jay. Bye-bye, Jay.
Hoy!
Bro, what you doing, man? What you doing?
Ang hilig mag-prank pala ng tatay nila.
Too damn loud, bro.
But now, recently, Katie Funny Guy had an experience where something maybe gave him a little taste of his own medicine.
Ayan, tingnan natin. Hoy.
Hey, look, I was trying to. Hey, look, I was creeping. I'm talking about, yo, I was shook. What would you?
Yan. Mahilig ka kasi mag-prank na tinatakot mo. Yan, ikaw naman ang pinarang tuloy.
Peek around the corner, for real, for real. The Look, I was scared too. I just ain't show it.
So, I think the lesson here is if you keep scaring your family yourself, then the ghost in your house might take that personally. Anyway, thanks for watching and hopefully I'll see you back here next time.
Ay, grabe yun. Natakot ako na natawa. Shout out kay Lexi D. Sanchez, kay Aubrey Lamanzares, Maricar de la Cruz, kay Joy Lorenzo, ayan, at kay Christine Lucas Galvez. Ayan, no. So, lagi tayong merong 5 isa-shoutout sa kada video natin na reaction na gagawin. So, dito, sa reaction mukbang vlog natin, dito ko kayo isa-shoutout. Ayan, shoutout sa inyo at thank you sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye!